I've always been interested in telling stories, and I was really interested in stories that weren't being told. People who were in trouble and needed somebody to advocate for them. When I first became a journalist, journalism was something that you saw in the nightly news. Journalism was in the newspapers, the print papers that you actually could touch. Journalism happened on the radio. Now, of course, journalism is to be found across all kinds of platforms. Not just in mainstream news outlets and websites. It's on social media. We may think of ourselves as just being, somebody who posts on social media, but if you're telling people where to show up for that protest on climate change, what the positions are of their community, then you're being a journalist. Hi, my name is Susan Moeller. I'm a professor of media and international affairs at the University of Maryland, College Park. Welcome to First Lecture on Journalism.